Welcome to M365 Professional. Measure employee engagement and improve productivity with actionable insights from Microsoft Viva. Through organization-wide surveys and Microsoft Viva Glint, capture the voice of the employee and understand specific drivers of employee engagement. Uncover hidden insights in the data with ease, using the power of AI to synthesize thousands of comments and zero in on employee suggestions, saving hours of analysis. Explore your team's comments with Copilot and Microsoft Viva by asking questions using your natural language. Let's say Viva Glint shows your manager effectiveness score is not where you want it to be. The survey data is valuable, but it's not the whole story. Supplement it with rich behavioral insights into how employees work. Now you can see a complete picture of employee sentiment enriched with workplace analytics from Microsoft Viva Insights. With this holistic understanding, you can pinpoint and address areas of concern faster using recommended actions that drive positive change. Then use Microsoft Viva Pulse within department or project teams to see the impact of these new actions. Learn how best to support your team during projects or periods of major change. You can continue to get rich insights into key people manager trends in your organization using Viva Insights and identify additional opportunities for improvement. Checking your effectiveness score for the next quarter. You see it's improved. Your efforts drove meaningful change. With insights provided by Viva, employees, managers, and leaders can create a culture where people and business thrive, using the voice of the employee and workplace analytics. Measure engagement and productivity with Microsoft Viva. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.